Chapter 3, Understanding Windows 10. Welcome, my dear learners. In the previous video, we have seen some of the topics such as Microsoft Windows operating system. We learned how important and what are the features of Microsoft Windows operating system. We also learned what is booting. Okay, then we also learned about desktop icons, files, folders, taskbar, start button, search box, notification area, and peek button. We also learned the most loved by you, that is changing the desktop background. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you what are the components of a window. So, as discussed earlier, every program in Windows OS appears in a form of a rectangular area surrounded by borders called the window. We can open multiple windows at the same time to work on more than one program. However, only one window can be active at a time. We can also change the size of the window by dragging its border or corners. I'll show you one. So this way, by dragging its borders, you can change the size of the windows. So let us discuss some of the important components of Windows. The title bar. The title bar is the horizontal bar that appears at the top of the window. It displays the title of the active program. Can you see the mouse pointer? This is the title bar. The title bar also contains the following buttons. Minimize button over here. This button is used to shrink an open window into a button that appears on the taskbar. This is the taskbar over here. So when you minimize the window, you can see this window on the taskbar over here. Clicking the button on the taskbar makes the window appear again on the desktop. So if I want to minimize this window, I have to click on the minimize button. When I click on the minimize button, again to open it, I have to click on this application again to reopen it. Next button is the maximize button. This button displays the full screen view of the window. When I click on this, can you see? I can see a full screen view of the window. Close button. This button is used to close the window. When you put your cursor on it, you can see it is saying closed. Next is restore down button. This button appears when the window is maximized. It changes the window to its original size. So this is maximize. Can you see? This button appears. This is restore down. It will change the window to its original size when I click on it. Ribbon. This is a ribbon. I'll show you which is the ribbon over here. Ribbon. This is the ribbon. In many windows, you will find a ribbon below the title bar. The ribbon contains commands that help us to work on a particular application. Work area. This is the work area where you will be actually working in that window. Work area is a place where we can work and the contents of the window are displayed. For example, in the paint, the work area is also known as the drawing area. We draw and paint in the area using different tools. Next is the scroll bar. The scroll bar appears when all the items in the window cannot be seen. At the same time, the two types of the scroll bar are horizontal scroll bar. As you can see, we have horizontal scroll bar over here, such as this is the horizontal scroll bar. I can scroll from here to here. And vertical scroll bar. This is the vertical scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar is located at the bottom of the window. We can use this scroll bar to move right and left of the window like this. Vertical scroll bar is located on the right of the window. We can use the scroll bar to move up and down like this. We can also click on the arrow buttons or drag the scroll button using a mouse for scrolling the window, as I am doing right now from using my mouse. So this all are the components of a window. I hope you have understood all this. Okay, bye, take care, thank you.